Normally, the Table Less Traveled takes people on culinary trips around the world. We're in the travel industry and we're a small business. When COVID started becoming an issue in Asia, I knew that if we were going to survive as a company, we had to do something different. The first thing I thought about was, what are we uniquely positioned to do? What I realized is that the thing that they find most valuable is the relationships that we have with people in other countries. And so when I started thinking about the virtual cooking classes, I was like, I don't want this to be a YouTube tutorial. I want it to be interactive. I want people to actually be able to share with these other people across borders and time zones and have a genuine interaction with them. I think what's different and cool is that because it is interactive, you're not just staring at somebody's face. So you kind of prep what you need in advance. We send you a list of the ingredients that you need and the equipment that you should have out, and then we do a quick introduction with the chef, and then they start cooking with you.
I had such a good time doing one of Annie's classes with my boyfriend and getting to travel to Italy, and we had an awesome time, created some great memories, and now we all know how to make pasta.
They taught me as much as I taught them. I really have a lot of fun doing this.
I had no idea how this was going to go, and when we sent the first payments out, one person responded to me and I just started crying because she told me that her shop that she owns is closed and that's her primary income. And this money, she told me, came right in time to be able to give them some relief and to be able to continue supporting their family when their shop's closed.
It's good, it's really good. Oh my God, thank you, Annie. That's amazing. Wow. That would be, in theory, a month of mortgage. First month, the payment will be paid by the Table Less Travel.
During the lockdown, my wife and I, we are instructors at the cooking classes of the Table Less Travel. We share our traditional recipe from our tiny island, and we are so happy to stay in contact with you from all over the world.
I think there's so much happiness that comes from having this community experience despite the fact that we feel somewhat isolated. It matters a lot that we are all more or less going through something similar. And I think that there's a collective unity in that. And to recognize that, you know, we are not alone in that struggle, I think is actually a really beautiful reminder that it's going to be okay and that we're going to find a way together through this.